I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
This is my Nismo 350Z, and you're probably wondering what I'm doing. Well, this car has been through kind of absolute hell with me, and for some reason I just don't know how to give up on a car. But with this one being number 1400 out of 1607, I believe the number is, I kind of want to make it great again. So we're kind of going to go through a long process here. The car needs to be painted. The front end needs to be kind of redone from the original wreck. This car's been rebuilt twice now. I want to do more long form video creation at this point. Try to do like a whole thing in one go instead of little pieces. If any of you know about Nismos, then you'll understand kind of why I'm keeping this car. And I have a problem with like beat up stuff. I like stuff that has a long history. And this car's really been through it, and surprisingly enough still has a clean title, which is kind of wild. This car's actually had a lot of different ideas, like the 6.2. I have an aluminum 6.2 I was gonna put in it, and I changed my mind. Like, I had the supercharger kit, never could decide on it. I've had the supercharger for like 2 years now. It needs to be painted, and I just never start the painting process. Like, something about tearing this car down gives me a lot of anxiety. Throughout the video, it's probably just gonna be like a lot of time lapses, me tearing stuff apart, skipping back and forth, because this is definitely gonna be a very long process. So. It's almost like a full restore, huh? I know it's a lot of skipping ahead, a lot of stuff's missed, a lot of the process, but it's really hands-on. I don't have anyone to help me record. So, getting everything soft sanded 600. Tomorrow I'll put it in the booth, hit it with some wet sanding, get it prepared. This car's gonna look kind of wild. The paint choice is definitely a commitment, but I hope it looks good. I think it'll look good. We got her in. She's all set up. Everything's wet sanded. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-clean, and then tomorrow I'll come and start taping. And then we're just gonna be yellow by the end of the day tomorrow. I hit record, but it didn't record. Hit that first coat of sealer. I ran out, so I gotta go mix a little more. It's okay. I need to let this stuff sit for quite some time. So it's okay. I'll go mix some more, and these little parts in the back might get a little more trash because I'm gonna have to walk out and then come back and keep sealing, but okay. This is crazy ignorant looking. I know I've been slipping on recording, but it's slowly going together. You know, I'm doing a lot of small stuff, redoing some of the seals. Like back window, just got a new seal. Redoing the seals that go here, here, here. You know, kind of re-gluing in the door stuff. Got the windows glued in. I got to respray the skirt. It got knocked around a little bit by somebody. which is cool. I got fresh OEM Nismo bumper here now. Dude, it looks so wild. Just been doing a lot of assembling. Just kind of cleaning up, putting some OEM stuff back on. Some 370 rays. Don't know if I like them actually. We'll see with the car down on the ground. Just really trying to get all the little clips and get everything mounted. Smoke out the headlights. She's coming together. I want to set it down today and kind of move it out. I had these, but the stand dropped them, and now those little ballasts are like hanging out, so I'm not going to use those. And then I have ECU Tech Tune, hopefully going to be part of the video. I tried to do some stuff with it and it's not reading the ECU for some reason, so I'm gonna have to call ECU Tech and see what that's about. But yeah, she's slowly but surely getting all put back together. It's crazy how far this car's came. She's pretty much as done as she's gonna get for a little while. I'm having a problem. The ECU isn't letting me connect to it with like an OBD2, the ECU Tech, nothing's, I don't know why. So I'm gonna have to look into that. It's getting power. It's getting constant power and switch power to the OBD2 port. So it could be water damage to the ECU since this car's kind of been through a lot. Because I know the OBD2 has worked and like all the stuff that's supposed to get power is getting power. So don't think that's it. I think this is just how she's gonna sit for a little while. I gotta, I don't like these wheels. I don't like them. I thought I was going to, but I don't. I don't like them that much. Maybe I'll kind of figure out something. So I'm actually gonna kind of call it quits. I wanted to drive it home, but I looked and we got like bad weather for the rest of the week. On top of that, these tires have been sitting for like 5 years. Don't trust that so much. Other than that, I mean, the car's ready to drive. There's some small odds and ends I'm gonna purchase just to kind of finalize it. And then the next one's gonna be resurrecting this car, which has been sitting for a very long time. Interesting, the car actually has super low miles, but I'm not gonna drive it yet. I wanna figure out the wheels. I might sell the wheels and find something different. For those of you that watch the whole thing, thanks. If you wanna stick around, stick around. Whatever you think of the build, let me know down below. Typical stuff. I know the video's been kind of like here and there, hit or miss, a lot of stuff kind of left out, but this is it's a crazy long process. It's kind of just one of them things. You work on it as you can, when you can. Look at my lineup here. The Audi, the Z's. I'm kind of becoming a hoarder. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I'm just gonna wrap it up. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of editing. If you like that, stick around for the resurrection of this this black one. God, she's so beautiful. Well, until the next one.